So what's your name?
Madam C. My name is Sina Adure. Ada for short. Okeke.
And what's that?
Madam C. My papa name Sin na Okeke. My grandpapa name Sin na Okeke.
Hold on, your father's name is Okeke, your grandfather's name is Okeke.
Yes, Madam C.
So why are you, what the heck? So why are you answering your father's name and you're answering your grandfather's name as well?
Madam C. Na so we dey answering the names.
What? Oh God. What's your qualification?
Qualificate. Madam C. Me I no understand that one no.
I mean, where did you stop in school?
That one be qualifications. Madam C. Now for primary 3, I school since stop.
Okay. God have mercy. So you are an illiterate. Hold on, you stopped at primary 3. Ordinary primary 3. Can you even recite your ABCD properly? No, hold it, you don't. God have mercy. Did you even bathe this morning before coming to my house? This one you're scratching your armpit, your butt, and everywhere.
Yes, Madam C. I bathing with Nchankota.
Alright, that's it. Fine. No. He said no for me. God forbid it. Pick up, please. Oh gosh. Hello, Mr. Chris. How are you? Let me ask you a question. What is the meaning of this nonsense? What do you mean by nonsense? Listen, what is the meaning of the show of incompetence from your side? Who is this pig that you brought for me as a maid? As for Speak, she has scratched her armpit and butt private part more than 20 good times. I beg your pardon. Now you listen to me, Mr. Chris. I will not condone this. I am not taking this pig. Is it that you bring another person, a decent person that has a good character? She cannot even speak simple good English. Now you are going to bring another person, or you return my money. And that's on period. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You are fired.
Madam C. I beg. Now say they say they start person for work.
Shut. Now get out.
I beg now.
If you touch me,
I beg, Madam.
I will change it for you. Now get out. Are you insane? You think I'm joking? Now get out.
Madam C.
Get out. Not have such a pig. Get out. Get out. Justice! Can you throw this pig away? Are you insane? Are you frightened? Animal! Fat baboon! Idiot!
I don't have anything to do that. Like, look at this. Sorry.
Rubbish. Next time you will open a gate for a mad person to come into my house. Who are you?
Now maybe the new maid where Agent Chris sent.
Oh, okay. All right, then please sit.
Thank you.
Oh.
So,
Yeah, sure.
Hi, baby.
Who's she?
Okay, she's a new maid from the agency.
Oh, I see.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Good. All right, darling. I have to go.
Okay.
Don't miss me too much.
Of course, I will miss you. You look good, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Cute
Thank
man.
you. We're trying. All right, so on my way out, I'll call Prosper, find out where he is. I'll hook up with him, and then we take it from there.
It's okay.
Aha, I left my phone on this table. I left my phone here.
No, are you sure? Because there's no phone on the table.
Certain, I left my phone here. I left my phone here, I'm very sure.
It's only 2 remotes on the table, no phone,
No,
sweetheart.
I am certain I left my phone here.
Okay, this one you they look me like this. I don't see any phone. No.
So who took my phone then? I left it here.
See wahala. I don't see any phone as I enter here.
Hold on, sweetheart, please. Don't be angry. Are you sure that you left your phone here?
Very certain, yeah. I left it here, then I went upstairs. I left my phone here.
Hold on, young lady. Who brought you inside my living room?
Madam Nugget, ma'am.
Please help me keep an eye on this one.
Alright.
I'll be right back. Justice! Justice! Justice!
Oh, no, I didn't keep this phone here. I'm sure I left my phone on this table.
Oga no they look me like that though. I don't see any phone. I don't see any phone at all. They look me like that.
I think I have to stop to get some steps. Oh my God. Today is Monday. I forgot Agent Chris said he'll be sending a mail to Jasmine. I totally forgot.
Open this bag. I'm sure my phone is inside here. I said open this bag.
My mama bought me for inside church, Oga.
It's my business when they call you. Open this bag.
I know be thief.
I said open this bag. My friend.
I know be thief.
I said open this bag.
Calm down.
Open this bag.
Calm down, sweetheart. Calm down.
Hey, okay, give this bag.
My friend, come on, let go. Pour everything on the floor. Let's see it.
Without pleasure. They say clothes. See up here.
What's all this? Honey, is your phone here?
No.
Hold on. Not even the latest wear.
Leave me alone.
Not on this.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
What are you doing, Justice?
Ma, I want such her pants.
Why her pants?
Ma, I saw these people, all these criminals, fear them. Fear them, they can hide anything anywhere. Come on.
You won't put hand inside my
Put hand there.
Thank you, sir. Come on. Chris.
Manyaka, check for my phone.
No, they put hand inside my.
I will not do. I'm wasting my time.
What the heck? What is wrong with you? What is all this? You had the guards, the nerve to come inside my house to steal my fiance's phone.
So you don't.
I don't know what happened. I don't be thief.
Don't worry. Let me handle her. No, you get my call this place, call thief, Abi.
Oh, God, forgive me.
Lady Jasmine. Oh. Hello, ma.
What do you call this show of incompetence from your own side, Mr. Chris?
I don't understand, ma.
I'm asking you, Mr. Chris, how could you? Must you bring anybody from the street to my house all in the name of what?
I still don't get it, ma.
I said, get me a maid and not a thief.
Who is the thief, please?
That Caldeli of a girl or whatever her name is nothing but a bloody thief, a bloody criminal.
What really happened, ma?
You know who I I am. Why do you keep sending those things to my house? Why?
I still don't understand where you're coming from, man.
I already told you what I want, but it's obvious you can't deliver. Well, next time, do your findings very well before picking mates.
Okay, man, I'm really sorry. It won't happen again. I promise I will get you what you want this time.
I repeat, I already paid you agent fee to get me a maid. And since you're unable to deliver, please, I want a refund of my money.
It's okay, man. No problem. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Hello, babes. How did it go? You want a refund? Mr. Chris, an idiot. How? What happened? Can you just calm down and explain to me? See, babes. We can't talk it over on the phone, okay? I'll be at your place shortly. I know Jasmine. She's difficult to please. The first maid was an illiterate. Who knows what is wrong with this second one? I don't get it one bit. This is Tales by Moonlight, right?
I wish it was, but it happened right here. In my house. And that's living room.
Are you serious?
Deborah, let me tell you something. This girl we are talking about came to this house with a Ghana Moscow filled with stolen items.
Jesus.
I've never seen such a thing before.
Items like what and what?
Like Android phones. At least I saw like 3 different Android phones. And he wanted to make my fiancé own, number 4. Alright. I saw canvas, I saw slippers, I saw singlets, so many things. Male things. Not even female.
Are you kidding me?
See, Deborah, let me tell you the truth. I am not happy. All I want right now is for Chris to refund me. And I would like you to tell him this.
You already told him that.
Of course I did.
And what did he tell you?
He was just busy pleading on the phone telling me that I should be patient, that he's going to get some other person for me. Can you imagine?
Another disaster.
Another disaster indeed. I won't take it. Honestly.
You know what? That means we'll have to look for another agency.
Okay. Truth be told, all I need is, someone that has a good character. I mean, unlike that thief. She doesn't have, you needed to have seen what she said. Justice was trying to, do you understand, to search it properly. And she was busy shouting, "Make you not put your hand for my memory." And what's the meaning of that?
What's the meaning of that?
Because she's calling my private part memory. What a stinking girl. God have mercy. When we brought out my fiancé's phone, it was booming. Some girls are dirty.
Very, very. You know what?
Tell me.
There is one at Isoko Street.
Okay.
We have to arrange for that.
It's alright. I didn't even ask you what you would like to take. This whole thing is like a drama.
I need champagne, please.
Let's go and sit down. Frog on the hand.
Won't you offer me something?
I understand that you are the maid from Chartered Agency, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I see. So what's your name?
Mary, ma'am.
Mary who?
Mary Philip.
Oh, Mary Philip, I see. What's your qualification?
NCA, ma'am.
Okay, the agency that sent you told me that you are the best, the very best they have.
I really hope so, ma'am.
So, how good are you?
I'm a qualified domestic staff, ma'am. I know my onions when it comes to housekeeping work. And I'm a qualified chef, ma'am.
Good. So, any working experience?
Oh, yes. I've been a domestic staff ever since I graduated from Albany College of Education. I opted for this job because I do not want to be a classroom teacher.
And what is this supposed to mean? Come on. Oh, what's wrong with being a classroom teacher, if I may ask? I am a teacher, a qualified teacher. I've been a teacher all my life. I teach in State University. I own a private school. Take a look at me. Am I not doing very well as a teacher?
Yes, ma'am.
So why the hatred for this profession? As far as I'm concerned, teachers are the best.
Ma, please don't get me wrong. It's not like I have hatred for teaching. It's just that teaching is not my calling.
If it's not your calling, so why did you school at Albany instead of normal university or poly? I mean, Albany produces the best teacher in the state, if you ask me. So, you are a qualified teacher, young lady.
I understand your point, ma, but the truth still remains that I can't be a teacher. It's not my thing. I can't stand it.
That's alright. Well, I think I like you already. So you have the job.
Oh, thank you so much, ma. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
I will still want you to ponder on our discussion.
That's no problem, ma. Thank you so much.
It's alright. So, you can start immediately because I'm seeing your bag.
Yes, ma.
Alright. So, go in there, you'll see a room. On the other side, the left side, you will see a kitchen.
Okay.
In that kitchen, you will see your uniform there.
Alright, ma. Thank you very much, ma. Thank you. I'm very grateful. Thank you.
So be wise, one them. Don't become enemy of your own self. You cannot eat your cake and have it again. It's not possible. In this world, always know that grace on how you live your life. Avoid hand I know.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Alright, where's your madam?
She's upstairs. Please, who will I tell her is here to see her?
Alright, tell her it's her fiance. Her fiance. My name is Evans.
Oh. Alright, sir. Please excuse me.
Destroyed, baby. There is a reward on how you live this life.
Hey, darling.
I'm waiting for
Look at you.
Baby.
You look amazingly beautiful.
You. Sweetheart, I was in the restroom when you drove in and I said, whoops, my baby is here.
Of course, I'm here. And I chose right. You are beautiful.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you. I love you more. Sit down.
Yes, baby.
So tell me, how was your day?
Oh my goodness, you don't want to know. I had a long day because I was busy shuttling between the campus and the school. Oh, it was stressful.
You see? Exactly why I told you. Resign. Tender your resignation letter so you can concentrate on one.
Oh, precious God, we've been through this, sweetheart.
I know, but it's stressing you. Look at you, come on. Yes, money is good, alright, but money is not everything. Cut yourself some slack, please.
Alright, I'm not complaining. You should know that.
I'll tell you what.
Tell me.
Once we get married, you're going to resign from working in the university so you can concentrate on the private school.
You don't give up, do you?
No, I don't. And I love you.
I love you much more. Yes, sir. I will do exactly as you've said.
Good. I don't want you to be stressing yourself. Living here is already very stressful. So.
I'm telling you. Thank you so much. She's not giving you anything. Mary! Mary! What's wrong with you? Get him something refreshing. Something very chilled.
Oh, alright, ma. Excuse me.
Alright.
Missed you, honey. I will not allow you to leave immediately.
Ma, is there anything you'd like me to do for you?
Nothing for now.
Oh, alright, ma. I'd like to return to the kitchen. Alright, please enjoy your meal. Thank you.
Food is nice.
Very nice. We're not leaving tonight, baby.
Let's eat first. We'll talk about it when we're done.
Okay. My boss is so lucky to have a fiancé as Evans that cares about her. Just look at me. I wish I have a fiancé or even a husband to call my own. Look at me. Working as a housemaid because there is no work in the country. Aside teaching in a private school. I mean, I can't even have the thought of teaching because it's not even working. I can't even deal with children. I mean, they shout and I can't. Welcome, sir.
Oh, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Madam is not back yet.
Loba.
She's not.
That's strange. Because I called her, I spoke with her not too long ago, and she told me she was on her way back.
Oh, really? That means if you both spoke, that means she should be on her way. She'll be here soon.
Alright then. Get me a glass of juice.
Okay, sir.
It's cold.
Excuse me.
Very hardworking, just like Jasmine said. Nice girl.
do I start from? Oh, this is what I hate. Ouch! Where do I even start from? What do I know? How can this car stop me in the middle of the road? A car that I just serviced a few weeks ago. Oh, God have mercy. Hello, baby. I'm really not fine. You can't believe what just happened to me. My car broke down in the middle of nowhere. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, the car we just serviced a few weeks ago. Yes. So, yeah, somewhere at Okpanam Road. Yeah, exactly. Please, honey, come with your mechanic, Luke. Thank you, sweetheart. I'm waiting. All right.
Oh, hello. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
It's one of those things, driving on the road, that's how it is.
Fine.
Alright. Dude, start. Find out what's wrong with my wife's
Well
car.
done.
These things happen. Sometimes the car will just develop faults.
It's very funny, believe me.
So yeah. Don't worry, he'll fix it. The guy knows
Thank you.
what he's doing.
I'm so tired and famished.
Oh. Okay, why don't you take my car, go home, I'll stay here and fix this one, and I'll bring it back.
Are you sure?
It's better that way, so you don't stay here, okay? No? I don't want you to stress yourself
It's
so much.
okay, sweetheart.
You know I love you.
I love you much more.
Alright, here you go.
Thank you.
Okay, then.
My bag.
Alright, cool.
Thank you, baby.
Okay. I love you.
Love you.
Hold on with the car.
There is no one without a secret in life. There is no one in this life. But this is bad secret. Bad secret. Always think twice
Evans.
before you do anything.
That guy is such a bomb. He melted my heart. But the thing is, he did it under duress. I mean, he didn't do it with his full mind. But who cares? In as much as I get to enjoy the man in him, I'm cool. Evans, you are so sweet.
This word is a small word, so be careful of whatever you do. Cause what goes on comes down. What goes on wrong comes around. Opunaga, Ayanele
So what's the meaning of this nonsense? Where you're lying down on my couch in my living room. As what? I'm talking to you, you're putting your hand in your pocket. Are you insane? Are you mad? Now what nonsense is this? Now what are you feeling like? Consider yourself very lucky because I'm in a good mood today. Else you would have. My friend, go and get me food to eat. Hey! Come back here. Hold on. I just gave you an instruction and you walked out on me without saying anything.
Ma, you just said I should go and get your food. That is what I'm going to do. That is the food I'm going to get.
You better set that food on the dining in the next few minutes.
This is Mary, the high for house chores, but now she's in charge, yo. Okay, and madam,
What is wrong
What
with this girl?
I never see this kind of lady before. With my eyes, I had to help. Okay, we go, the bed is higher to help. But one thing later, okay, we go, madam.
You're waiting for food.
From lady to
You
commander.
will wait till thy kingdom come because I'm not making anything for you in this house. Yes. After all, we are not in the same level. We now share the same man. That thing that is making her feel so special. I mean, that one thing that is making her head swell and making her puff up. I have tested it.
I have seen how sweet it is. I have tested it and it is very sweet and I want it again. Yes. Why would she be sending me a message? You're not in the same level in this house. What's there? I'm coming!
Does it mean there is no food in this house?
This is me, the hired maid for house chores. But now she's in charge. Okay, and madam under her control. I never see this kind
What took you so long?
before with my eyes.
Mama, the food is here now.
Are you insane? Can you keep this properly?
From lady to commander.
Come on, will you give it? Now get lost. Hold on. Did you just eye me? I'm sure you were mad. Now will you get out?
Lady is in charge now. Anything she says, I'm
Hi, baby.
My darling. You're still eating? I thought you'd be done with that by now.
You won't believe it. I asked this Mary to serve me this food 30 minutes ago and she's just bringing it.
Why? Is there no food in the house?
There will always be food in the house. You should know that.
So, what took us so long?
I wonder. Evans, you won't believe this, sweetheart. Do you know when I came back? Guess who I met lying on the couch? Mary. Of course! She just got up and was staring at me. She couldn't even greet me. Let her try it again. Honestly speaking, I would throw her out like a piece of trash that she is.
Oh, this is crazy. She was always doing well. What has come of her?
I don't care what came over her. All I'm saying is, should this nonsense try itself again, I will throw her out, and I mean every word.
It's alright. Just don't mind her. Eat.
Why don't you join me?
You're making me shy.
Sweetheart, you're crazy.
No, seriously. You know, when a man is in love,
Sure, love is in love. All right. Sweetheart, I need this to cool off. Please. I have been stressed out since today.
Tomorrow. We'll do it tomorrow.
Why tomorrow? Why not now?
Love, don't get angry, please. Don't be offended, okay?
I'm not angry. I'm just wondering why you are denying me of this. This is the first time.
You know I love you. I love you very much, and you're You're so sweet. You're so cute.
Then if you love me and I'm sweet, why? Why are you refusing to do this now? Come on, baby.
I'm tired. I'm tired. I had a very long day. Long and stressful day. Same with you. I know you had a very long day. This is not what you need right now. Trust me. To weaken you the more. What you need right now is to take some analgesic and just it will calm your nerves and you sleep. I've taken that already. That's why I want to sleep now. But I'll get it for you. Alright. I'll get you some analgesic and water.
Analgesic?
Yeah, that's what you need. Trust me. I've taken some already. Sleep with me so I can sleep. I'll get it for you.
Are you serious?
I'm not sure. I love you.
I don't understand. Hi, baby.
Stop. See, enough. Whatever you did to me in the morning, I'll just let it slide. Let me not talk about it. Listen, it never happened. Is that clear? It never happened. Let it go.
Evans, one thing you don't know is that everything that happened earlier today was on record. I had to think about it. So, you are going to give me what I want. Here and now. Else, I'll take the video to Jasmine. Come on, baby. Give me what I want.
Now, what is keeping him from getting the analgesic and water? Isn't it just downstairs? Wait a minute. It's like he started watching football in the living room. Evans and football.
I took you into eternity to return with the energetics and water.
Sorry about it, my love. I went down and I noticed the kitchen door is open. So I locked the door and then I checked everywhere to be sure we're safe. Let me give you the address. No, just get up so you can see.
This word is a small word, so be careful of whatever you do, 'cause what goes on comes down, what goes on wrong comes around. So be wise on them. Don't become enemy of your own self. You cannot eat your cake and have it again. It's not possible in this world.
Baby, you called up. What is it? Tell me, what do you want? You want me to give you a sweet massage or you want me to give you a good bath? Just tell me, whichever one you want, I will do it.
Mary, delete that video. I'm begging you, delete that video. It will destroy my marriage.
Was that why you called me?
Why are you doing this? Even if it means paying you off, I will delete that video.
Never! What is your problem? You think this whole thing is about money or paying off? No, that is not what I want. I want you. Can't you say it?
You cannot want me. You can't want me. I belong to Jasmine. We're going to get married soon. This will destroy my marriage. Please now. Why are you doing this?
So you think I'm not good enough because I'm just an ordinary maid? Is that what you think?
I never said that. You're a very beautiful girl. There are men out there who want you and die for you and do anything for you. Not me. I belong to someone else. I'm going to get married to her. Let me pay you off so you go. End this whole thing.
Fine. Talking about pay off, how much are you willing to pay?
1 million naira.
Excuse you? 1 million what? Please, I cannot trade you for 1 million naira. What is that?
2 million naira.
No. 20 million naira. It is 20 million naira or nothing.
Huh?
Oh yes.
20 million naira?
Yes.
Are you serious? Where do I get that kind of money from?
One day expose you cannot run away from your sin. Cannot last for long.
A friend of mine told me something yesterday. Told me a story. He said it's a true life story. Something he said has been bothering him for some time. You know, he spoke to me, like, more like confided in me. Yes, he wanted to see if I can give him a solution. For me, I couldn't come up with anything, so I decided to tell you. Let me know what you think.
So what's the story all about?
He said their housemaid has been blackmailing him. Yes, according to him, she drugged him and slept with him without his consent and made a video of it. Now she's using that video to blackmail him.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Is she demanding for ransom or something?
This is funny. She's actually demanding for more sex. Yes, anytime the guy says no, she'll threaten to go show the wife the video. Madam, you know, compelling him to sleep with her over and over again.
Like what?
According to my friend, he offered her 2 million naira to put the whole thing behind him. She said no. She said she wants 20 million naira. So the guy is confused. He doesn't know what to do.
This is so annoying. Yes. This is preposterous. Your friend is a cool-headed guy, you know. If it were to be me, I would have gotten this sex tape from her a long time ago, either by hook or by crook. You know all those things now.
No, I don't.
Don't worry. I will tell you what to tell him to do. Yes, don't worry. I will tell you.
No, see. Can you tell me now that my friend is really bothered? This is disturbing him. Tell me now.
Don't worry.
On me like that now. What's the meaning of that now? And what if I was naked?
If you're naked, be naked. Haven't you shown me everything? That's how you hide.
Even though, please don't do it again. Don't do it next time. I don't like it. Why is your eyes going around my room? What is it? What are you looking for?
You will delete that video now. I said you will delete that video right now.
I'm not deleting anything. You will have to kill me because of...
Give me that video. Give me that video!
It was choking me!
Yes, die! It's better you die! Die!
I'm dying!
Die!
Mary, Mary, sweet shower. See, I noticed something. I just try hard and try impress you. I didn't want to kill myself. Well, you know, just feel now. Did you not enjoy it?
Sheba, they tell you say I know they're emotionally ready for this thing. I no tell you. You just the pressure, they put head, you want to. She now you don't do now, your body don't calm down. But me leave me.
Yeah, sorry now, no vex. And I just be say anytime when me and you see, you dey always want make I knock you now. No vex, sorry.
So since I come here, you no notice my mood. You notice I'm not doing in a very good mood. You no notice am. You know make you just do.
See, make I no lie. I notice am. I see say you not do yourself, but now as it be now, my guys dey alright. What happened? Why your mood change today?
Now you know say you go ask me.
Sorry now, you tell me what happened.
Person nearly kill me today, oh. Person nearly kill me today. Now me just help me, they thank God. Because now another thing for the talk now.
What happened? Who nearly kill you?
You know they see on my neck. You know they see I get injured. Person nearly strangle me to death today. Oh, don't be smart to see my neck now. See.
Sorry.
The thing they pay me, I beg small they drag am.
I be first here, but I feel say na normal mosquito bite. What happened?
So you see I'm Greg. I'm not going to understand you these days. You see this kind of thing for my neck, you don't even ask me. Not gonna let this thing put you for trouble.
Sorry. What happened, Mary?
Na my madam husband to be oh. Now you do me this thing.
What be problem? He dey mad. Why they do this kind of thing? What happened?
See, I beg, this thing what I want to tell you now, maybe if you not carry reach inside your mind, maybe if you just put am for here, so that if it's too much, you go just come out am. Yeah, I no take am serious. Na devil na carry me go do this kind of thing. Maybe if you no vex, I beg.
Wetin be that? I dey hear you.
The thing really there be say I drug am. I can't rape am.
Mary!
Now what say make you no vex now? Now what I beg you now before I tell you this? I say make you calm down. Make you calm down now. No vex. I don't know do am. Devil,
Why you go do that kind of thing now? Why something when I dey enjoy, when I dey chop you cannot go give another man? Why you go do that kind of thing?
Greg, stop now. If you see this man, if you see his skin, the man fresh, the man too fine. I don't feel your control am. No vex. Sorry.
Now you can carry something when I dey enjoy, can go give another man?
Greg, now what?
The guy is sweet.
I see me, you calm down now. She better say beg you now. You supposed calm down. Sorry. No go ban me.
What you say?
This word is a small word, so be careful of whatever you do, cause what goes on.
Now, I don't get it. How could you have forgotten our wedding ring?
I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened. I'll get it right now. I've already called my friend, so I'll just go with him. You take this car, start heading to the court, okay?
Well, we're already late.
I'll be quick, okay?
Please
I'll
be
be
snappy. All right then.
So be wise, one member. Don't become enemy of your own self. You cannot eat your cake and have it again. It's not possible in this world. Always know boundaries on how you live your life. Avoid and I know greediness, self-centeredness, and foolish has destroyed many. You thought you're smart. Greediness, self-centeredness. You thought you're foolish has destroyed many. You thought you know it all.
Thank you. No, bro, you don't have to follow me. Just wait, let me get the ring. Alright, wait for me. I'll be long.
There is a reward on how you live this life.
Then what stupid games do you think you're playing with me, Evan?
Don't start. Please, I'm begging you, don't start. My best man is already waiting for me.
If you think I'm going to let you be with Jasmine, then you have something else coming into your head.
Leave my way.
No, I will not. And what if I don't leave your way? What will you do?
Today is my wedding. I need to be in court.
So hell with your wedding. I don't even care. No, what makes you think I care about your wedding with Jasmine? Say, listen and listen very good. I want to set things straight. You're not leaving this room until you make love to me. Countless times.
Excuse me, why are you being insensitive? Come on.
Oh, I'm being insensitive. Really?
Yes.
Let's just say I am madly in love with you. I can't have enough of you. Don't you get it?
Stop this. You need to stop right now, believe me. If you don't, I'm going to do something crazy.
Really?
Yes. Leave my way.
No.
Can you just stop?
You will not leave here.
Leave my... I need to be in court. Leave.
You want to leave, yeah?
Yes.
Fine, leave. Go ahead and leave. Just maybe when you see me in court registry today and tell everyone that cares to listen about our escapades and then show them our wild sex videos. Just then I'm sure you're going to be happy. You like it, right? You think I'm joking? Yeah? Leave the store and I'm going to disgrace you.
Why are you bent on messing me up? Why do you want to disgrace me? What have I done to you? Why?
Make love to me, baby. Please.
Not today.
I want it now.
Not today.
Just make
Not
love
right
to me.
now. Today is my wedding.
Shh. Just make love to me.
Be keeping him now. It's not just to get rings upstairs. Does he realize you don't have luxury of time? What's all this now? What could be happening now? Evans, Biana, Kaenwa here. What's really going on? Today is his wedding day, for crying out loud. What's happening now? What's going on? What's going on?
Oga Prosper, no vessel. No vessel. I the woman for you no concern me. I want to ask you one question. You know whether you sure say no be shit, you go to shit. You know they get some show, you take your time. You go pull your shirt. All those hopes the shit. Small he's going to do you for you.
Justice.
Sir.
How do you expect him to know what is keeping him inside there? There's no time. We don't have luxury of time. There's no time. We need to get out of here. Today is his wedding day.
You know, all I can say now is that make you just get more patient. You go calm down.
Justice, are you trying to tell me that you cannot go inside there to go and know what is keeping him? I don't know my way around there. I would have done that myself.
That Prosper, that one pass me. But all I can say, small patience. Little patience. Not patience.
Lunatic.
Prosper is the one calling me. Everybody is waiting for me. My wife is waiting for me. What am I doing here? This is not fair. I need to go.
And where do you think you're going to?
What sort of stupid question is that? I'm going to do my wedding.
Evans, I say when you leave.
Meaning?
Meaning that you should not tell me. What's all this now? Please just come back to bed. You have an unfinished business. I'm not satisfied yet.
I am not coming back to bed. I won't sleep with you again.
You will. No, you will make love to me. I mean, the first one was hasty. I didn't enjoy it as I used to. I just need you to calm down and be more romantic and relaxed. So I will enjoy this thing the way I used to enjoy it. What is all this?
Do you realize today is my wedding day? What is wrong with you?
You know, some people are just shameless. I mean, shameless than I thought. So you want to go and wed that old woman because of money? What is wrong with you?
Now it's not your business. It's my life. Stop blackmailing me.
Ivan, you're making a mistake, okay? And by the time you realize what you are doing to yourself, it will be too late for you.
We'll see how that concerns you, please.
Ivan, you're not going anywhere.
Stop this.
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Stop it. You're not.
Oh,
Ivan, stop. What's wrong with you now?
Stop this thing.
Come and give me this.
My father, I don't know to leave me.
I want to come and give it to me. I don't know what to do.
See, God will punish you. Enough.
Okay. Fine, there's no problem. You will go, you will come back and meet me here. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. You will go and meet me in this house. Go and come back. I'm waiting for you. No problem.
Sorry. I was looking for the ring. I forgot my phone. I misplaced my phone. Let's go. No time. I'm so sorry. Oh, let's go. Wedding has been cancelled. Yes. I had to do everything within my power to disrupt that wedding. I had to make sure that wedding did not hold. But there's no problem. He has gone, Abi. He will come back and meet me in this house. I'm waiting for him. Let him go and come back. I can't allow him to be with that woman now. That old woman, Jasmine. I can't. She can't be with that woman.
Schema, I'm scheming around.
And what is that supposed to mean?
But clear you what you don't know. See, everything where they go on for this house, are they aware? All your activities, all your parole for this house, I know. I'm aware.
Is there any other person here? Are you talking to me?
I they talk to this bucket. No, since the bucket they respond to me. Hello, bucket. See, man, I tell you something for this compound there. I know say, everything what they do for here, I know. I know say they control Oga. I know they don't use your body. Your Oga. That's why you be able to control her. They manipulate.
Hey! See, let me warn you, okay? You see in this house, stay clear my path. Anything that concerns or involve me in this house, stay clear. Stay clear.
And if I don't?
You will see trouble.
I will see trouble.
You will see trouble.
You will see trouble.
Yes.
You will see trouble.
You will see trouble. What is your problem?
See, I don't say they blackmail Oga for this house. I don't say they blackmail him. You don't use your body. Lure the mind. See, a full grown man don't control himself again. Anytime you see Oga, your body will do boo. You open your leg. Another person, woman, husband.
Oga, shut up! It is not very obvious to me that you are raving bonkers. You are mad. You are insane. I know what they pay you. I know what they pay you. It is because I did not accept you. You told me I don't agree.
Oga, shut up.
I want to pay you.
I go not pay me.
Yes.
You, Keziah. See, my tell something. If you see my babe, you go bow.
God will punish you.
Go punish
You
you.
dey mad. You dey play. Come on for here.
Fine boy like me.
Eh?
Fine boy like
You
me.
saw wetin?
They rush us.
Talk am again.
Fine boy like
See
me.
this poverty sticking thing where you never even know what you want in your life.
Forget how they do gate man.
Oga, come on for here.
Forget how I don't do that.
Come on for here. Make you come on for here. Come on for this place. Wetin dey worry you?
Push me, I will not do.
You go do wetin?
See, I warn you, it's after today, after today, if you control or again, or try to blackmail them, I will take madam.
You never go forget
And
who they pay you.
before they go push you come up for this house, I go beat you.
You never go forget who they pay you. Oga, come on for this place. Come on for here. Come on for
I
here.
love this girl.
Come on for here, babe. They go.
Push me again.
They go. Come on for here.
Push me again.
They go.
Don't push me again.
I said make you come on for here. Now what's be your own now?
See this one.
What's they worry
See
you?
this one.
Come on for here, beg.
Come
Come on for here. Come on for here.
You push me.
You don't know where they pay you.
You push me.
I dey ask you. You don't know where they
push me
pay you.
again.
Come on for here. Come on. I will pay you. Come on.
I will help you.
Come on for here.
See, if you tell me, I go use it to break my back.
If you don't come for here, I go go and this thing for head. Come on for here. Come on for here. Carry this to head. Come on for here.
Touch my head.
Sassing B.
Okay.
Try am now. No, try am.
See this compound? I dare on you.
Sassing B.
My eyes are on you.
They put some work pussy. You never come up for
My
here.
eyes on you.
You never go for where they pay you.
My eyes on you.
Because I dey follow you, they speak English. You dey crazy. Tell me how you dey do the same thing. Sassing B.
Okay, I will feed you well.
Yes, I will get level.
Nah, me not coming here. I will feed you well.
Ewu. Now you never blow. Your mate don't blow finish.
Huh? Can you imagine? Man, go just they use her hand bring devil come her house. Eh? She bring prostitute come to her house. Many agencies bring their workers. They bring fat, they bring slim, they bring ugly, height, big. Even Christian, Muslim, she dey just dey select. No. She don't select. Use her hand, bring devil come her house. She don't use her hand, bring person wey go kill her. Now she dey drag. Look at it. Can you imagine? Ordinary maid dey drag madam for your own house. Now you want dey chop wetin madam dey chop. Huh? I think madam get spiritual eyes. She for know say this girl na devil. No. The girl don't do anyhow. They do anyhow. They control oga for your own house. Then they pay me. Huh? See this thing, Mary, you must go. Mary, you must go from this house. Mary must go. Mary must go. Mary must go. Mary must go.
Justice must go. Justice must go. Now you go.
Mary must go.
Justice must go.
Mary must go.
Justice must go.
Mary must go.
Justice must
Mary
go.
must go.
Justice, now you go.
Mary must go.
Now you go come out for this house.
You must go.
Now you go come out for this house because you don't get sense.
Mary, you must. I don't get sense.
You don't get sense at all. One single sense you don't
Don't
get.
worry. But what do you know what happened? You must go.
Now you go.
You must go.
Now you go.
You must go.
Justice, when not sabi justice, that one na justice.
You must go.
You feel represent your name.
You must go.
You not feel represent your name.
That will be
Now
witch.
you go come out.
Pass the hand where they feed you. When they bite the hand where they feed you.
Justice, make I tell you, don't fit come up. You don't fit throw away me come up for
Let
this
me
house.
go for this hand.
You don't fit.
I go then say.
Justice, come throw away me. Come throw away me, make I see.
Push.
I don't push you. Come on, me. Justice, you don't go better for me. You say this is what you dey do now.
Let me open this gate for you and let me go open up for you to come up.
Now you go come out.
You must come up for this house. You be devil, you be
I
witch.
don't enter. I don't come stay. Now you go come out.
You be witch, you be devil.
You know something. You don't come mind your business.
You must go.
You don't come mind your business.
You must go for this house.
There's no way no get level.
Who tell you?
You no get
Who tell you I
level.
no get level?
One single level you no
Who tell
get.
you I no get level?
Come carry me come
I
out.
no get level. Right? Oh, madam, leave this house for me. Before you come this house, let me take care of
You
this
say
house.
wetin?
Let me take this house. Take care of
You
this
say
house.
wetin?
Let me take care of
Talk
this
am
house.
again.
I dey take care of this house.
You will no get level. They
I
don't
no get
manage
level.
you. You don't come mind your business.
What be this? I work, so no problem. Small.
Come carry me come
so
out
I
make
don't
I
be small
see.
pikin for
See
this
your
game.
vendor select.
Better
Come carry me
select.
come out make I see.
I don't dey tell you.
Come carry me.
You must go. You must go. You must go. You must go. Daddy, you must go. Daddy, you must go. Hey, daddy, you must go. No pay me for this compound, idiot.
It's so funny.
Wait. What? No! This is unbelievable. She already got wedded in the court. How? How could she do this to us?
What did we do differently?
What?
She left my dad and I?
As if that wasn't enough.
She got married to a younger guy. Why? Mother, I hate you so much. I hate you. This is so bad. I hate you.
This one is a small world, so be careful of whatever you do, cause what goes on comes down.
Mama Prosper, I know what it make Oga delay today.
Do you mean you actually know what happened?
Yes. You see that one Mary. Mary, I sure see the blackmail my Oga sex tape. I sure, I feel swear to it, but that kid all the meandering into this company. Yes. But no talk say. No talk say.
Could it be the story he told me about his friend? It's actually his own story. But I'm his friend, why won't he just come up to me and tell me the truth? Instead of him trying to...
My love, what's wrong?
Why did you come to the registry late?
I already explained to you. I had stomach upset.
Oh, don't give me that crap! Now what's the meaning of this? You kept me waiting. You're having running stomach all of a sudden. But you never had this last night. You didn't visit the toilet frequently. No, you did not. Even this morning, you didn't. Till I left with my bridesmaid. You claimed you forgot a ring. You came to the registry late, claiming you were having what? Running stomach my foot.
It's obvious you don't care about my feelings.
You better stop it. Stop patronizing me because I'm not going to fall for it. I'm going to ask you this question for the very last time, mister. What? Where were you? Why did you keep me waiting? You kept everyone waiting at the registry. Why?
I already explained to you. I had stomach upset. What else do you want me to say?
And you decided to embarrass me out there. Evans, the question is why? Why, for crying out loud?
My love, you need to trust me. Alright? Trust is the bedrock of every relationship. For this to work between us, I need to trust you and then you trust me.
Believe you me, Evans. I will get to the root of this matter. Trust me.
My love, I'm sorry.
Do you even have an idea of what you did to my personality and what I stand for out there?
So that's what it's about. Your personality. You don't even care about my feelings or what I'm going through.
You mad? You grace? Well, what will this idiot? What's happened? Why they hit this girl like that? Now you be this house. Who are you?
Priska. I'm Priska.
Who be Priska? Is that why you're here? Priska?
You just open the gate.
Open. You see, I don't understand this girl. You just gave me the command. You demand, and I pay for they pay my rent, or and they pay my salary. Who are you, and what do you want in this house? They are telling me Priska. Who is Priska? The fuck.
Priska, open this gate.
You get the mad? We don't know. But now one girl like that too. Just say na Priska. But I need to search her. Don't get locked. I'm in a good mood. Enter.
Get out.
Oh.
This is where you've been staying all these years.
What are you doing here, Priska?
Well, I saw your court wedding pics on the internet. Mom, I need an explanation right now.
Now let's go inside and talk.
Which house? No, let me know. Which house? Mom, you left your family. You left father. And you left myself. You ran off to marry that boy.
Mind the way you talk to me.
Don't tell me to mind the way I talk to you. Don't even tell me that. I need an explanation right now. And now. What kind of woman does that make you? What kind of woman? Tell me, Mom. Tell me. I want to know.
Is it me you're talking to?
Yes! It's you I'm talking to in that manner.
Sorry to disturb you. I'm actually looking for a card. I want to get a card for my wife.
Your wife? Okay, what is she celebrating? A birthday, anniversary, childbearing?
None of the above. We just got married.
Aww.
So I want to get her a nice card.
Congratulations.
Thank you. You work here?
No. I came to get a card too.
Oh, so sorry I disturbed you.
No problem. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
so I went through this card.
Okay.
I think I like the words. And I think you like this. Let's go through this.
Wow, I'll always love you. I'll cherish you for the rest of my life. Being with you is priceless. Nothing compares to you. Oh, I love this one.
Thank you.
I love this.
I'm sure she would love this one.
I'm sure she would love it too. Thank
Don't
you very
forget
much.
to add a flower.
Oh, really?
And this bag. Go with this bag.
Okay. Alright. So you actually add flowers to
Yeah,
it?
because you have to.
Not a romantic person.
Yeah.
So I think I'll get flowers.
From somewhere, just go round.
Oh, okay, no problem.
All
Thank
right.
you.
All right.
Thank you. My name is Evan.
Oh, okay. My name is Barrister Benita.
Barrister?
Yes.
Oh, you're a lawyer.
If you say so.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Have a nice day. Bye.
I got the gun though! Hey! How dare you! at me. I am still your mother in case you've forgotten.
Hit me. Go ahead and hit me.
Priska, you are pushing me.
I don't need anybody to be called a mother.
Really?
Yes.
Now who made you Chief Judge over your father and I?
How could you?
How could I have what?
How could you do what you did to a man who did his utmost to make sure you have a quality education?
Oh, you will not understand.
You make me understand because I'm losing it!
Hey, enough. I need you to leave right now because my husband will soon return.
No, I'm not going anywhere.
I said leave.
No.
You heard me. Leave, Priska. I will call you.
You still have my number.
Of course.
Mom, I begged you. I pleaded with you. I even rolled on the floor with tears. I'm begging you not to do what you did. But what happened? You divorced my father. You crippled your husband. And for this, I won't forgive you.
Now to you, I am a terrible mother, isn't it?
I don't know. I can't figure it out. But one thing is certain. See, this marriage, it won't last.
Is that a threat?
A threat? No. It's a promise. No, excuse me.
Now leave.
Open it!
Calm down. Say, you don't be this guy. You get out, bro. You get out. I tell him good. I don't mind her.
Let's just go. Who's that girl?
Okay, she say her name na Priska, something like that. But I don't know. Na madam in confine.
She came to see my wife.
Man.
What for?
Okay, this one I set off question. Now madam go get the answer for this question you ask me. Welcome, sir. Well, don't buy. Okay, don't worry.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my darling.
I'm good.
Who was the girl I saw leaving the compound as I was driving?
Who?
The girl that just left this compound. While
girl?
I was driving and the girl was leaving.
Okay. Priska. Oh, Priska. Priska. She's a teacher in my school. I mean, a KG3 teacher in my school, yes.
KG3 teacher in your school.
Yes.
She's fired.
What?
Yes.
How?
Girl is actually stupid. She saw me at a ball, she didn't greet me. She just walked past me like, don't know what she was feeling like. She's fired.
Fine. Consider it done if that's what you want.
Good.
You can imagine. Just imagine. Well, she haven't seen the last of me. She haven't. What's all this? Okay, she thinks she can come out of poverty using my dad. Huh? Right? That marriage, I will frustrate it. I will see the end to that marriage. Rubbish. She's the reason my dad is paralyzed right now. We'll see to that. fine.
Are you sure?
Come on, believe me, it's nothing.
You seem lost in thoughts. Anything wrong?
No, nothing, believe me.
Alright, I got you these.
Oh! This is nice. It's beautiful, I love it.
Oh.
Thank you.
I'm glad you love it.
Of course.
Some beautiful gifts for a beautiful wife.
Thank you, sweetheart. I really appreciate it.
I love you. I love you. You're so beautiful. The most beautiful woman I've ever seen. God bless the day I met you.
I love you much more.
And you are that wife that gives the husband peace.
Ah. Come here. Thank you.
Come. I want to show you something.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I've told you not to mention Jasmine's name in this house. Your mother left me heartbroken into 1,000 pieces. What did I not do for her? And her siblings? Her brothers are living abroad now, courtesy of me.
Daddy meant to tell me that she left this family to marry that young guy.
Priska, the doctor said I should stop worrying and serious thinking. And I'm just doing that. Will I kill myself because my wife left me? What about those men that their wives are dead? I mean the widowers. Are they not pulling through in life?
Dad, I think you need to remarry.
On a wheelchair. Priska, tell me that woman who will accept a crippled man as a husband.
If Mom doesn't regret her actions, just know there's no God.
Priska, I want you to understand one thing. I want you to learn a lot from me. One or two things from me as your father. If I can turn the hand of time, I would have done things differently.
But how do you mean?
I was attracted by her alluring beauty. And I discarded all the advice my relations and my friends were giving to me. I called them bluff.
In-law, please, and please, do take good care of her. You know she's still a child.
In-law, you have no problem. I told you I'm going to take very good care of her. That's my promise.
Thank you very much. And also endeavor to send her to school like you promised.
It's a priority. I'm going to send her to the best school in the whole world.
God bless you. Son, it's all right now. Stop crying. Look, try and be at peace with your husband. He is a rich man. He has all it takes to make you a happy woman.
Yes.
All you have to do is be loyal to him. Be a good wife to him. Please stop. You see?
Papa, I don't want to go with him. I want to stay here. I don't want to go.
We will be fine here. I and your mother. Please, like I said, just try and be at peace with you. He's going to, I've seen him. I've seen through him. He's going to take care of you. He's a good man. And,
Papa,
madam.
Papa, please, I want to stay. Papa, please, I want to stay with you.
Please. Okay, I want to ask you something. Do you really like the way you and your siblings have been suffering in this house? We'll be eating from hands to mouth. Now that God has decided to elevate us through this man out of poverty. Biko, at least for the sake of your siblings. Biko, stop crying. And moreover, you are a married woman now. So just try and be as one. Give him whatever he needs as a wife to him. And I believe he's going to take a very good care of you. I've seen truth. He's a good man. Sorry, Biko. Sorry, Biko. Please.
Listen, you are not my wife. I'm going to give you the best in life. And I'm taking you to somewhere that's better than you.
Yes. Huh? You will be happy. It's okay.
Your mother refused me touching her for so many years. That night she complained and complained. I'll take her back to her parents. Even when we relocated to the United States of America, she never allowed me to touch her body. And I didn't bother because of her age. It was in her 4th year in high school that she began to understand what marriage and sex is all about. Because they have begun to teach them sex education.
Now they meant to tell me that it took you 4 years to touch her.
5 years really. I endured and allowed her to finish her school before taking her virginity. That night, I watched my wife cry in pain when I deflowered her. I had pity for her. My love for Samadina grew more after that experience. Because she became pregnant for you. And then once she gave birth to you. We waited for you to learn. Then she proceeded to the higher institutions, higher school, where she got her master's and then PhD.
But Dad, why didn't you guys have another baby?
After her high school education, she refused me touching her again. She complained that I'm older than her, that she wanted a divorce.
Then why ask for divorce at that point?
After training her, Jasmine, and her siblings in school, building house for her parents, Jasmine swore to leave me.
Jasmine, that from your story I heard some Adam.
Yes. It was when I took her to the school. I want to register her in school. And I told them her name is Jasmine. I didn't want her to use her native name.
Dad, why did you come back to Nigeria?
She began to complain that she wanted to come back to Nigeria and set up a private school, which I obliged her. But as soon as we landed in Nigeria, she quickly went in and sued for 5 years divorce.
Sad story. So Mom left because she now thinks you are way older than her and now needed a younger guy, right?
Yes, that's what I wanted you to know.
This is Mary, the hired maid for house chores. But now she's in charge, yo. Oga and Madam under her control. I never see this kind of lady before. With my eyes,
Oh, sweetheart, please. We just finished doing it. Let me watch football. You!
Yes, me.
No.
I can see you just gave it to her. So come follow me to my room so you can take me to club now.
Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me.
Come
Leave me.
Evans, do you know what will happen if you don't follow me to that room? I am going to spill the beans.
Yes, spill it. Spill it.
Really?
Yes, really. I'm sick and tired of you using me like a toy. Enough! Spill it.
I should spill. Very well then. I will do as you have said.
Wait now. Wait. Alright, fine, I'll do it.
Alright. Come baby. Just go to my room and make ourselves happy. Okay?
This your decision is very dangerous. This your actions is very deadly. It just want to destroy this home, Mary. Selfishness, so can't you mind your business, Mary? Can't you face your job, Mary? Baby is higher to level. What you want in little
I don't love you. Let's do this thing.
What is wrong with you? No, what is your problem? What is wrong with you? Eh? See, if you think I'm going to leave you for Jasmine, then you have another thing coming to you because it's not possible.
I'm already with her. No matter how much you try to blackmail me, I am already with her. I'm married to her. Okay? Can't change anything. Let's do this thing. Let me go, please.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You're already with her?
Yes.
That's what you're saying?
Yes, and you cannot be her class. It's not possible.
I can't be her class.
Can't.
But then you're still sleeping with this classless girl, isn't it?
No problem. Do the thing now. Let me go. You brought me here. You're happy, Abby. Do now.
Evans, what is wrong with you? No, what is your problem? Eh? I've told you that woman is an old cargo. Can't you see? She cannot give you what you want.
First of all, stop shouting. Secondly, don't insult my wife. Please, no matter what, don't insult her. Do what you want to do now. You wasted everybody's time.
Can't insult my wife. Don't insult who. If I will insult her, what will you do? No, I'm asking you, what will you do? Evans, this is why I keep calling you a fool. This is why I keep saying you don't have sense. You don't think well. Can't you see that woman is using you? She's drawing your blood now. You can't see it. See, there is nothing about that woman that is true. That woman is fake. I can give to you. Sweetheart. Are you in the bathroom?
come back now. Let's go
Enough,
one more
it's
round.
enough. Which one more round? It's enough. The one I think
Babe, it's not enough.
it's
No.
enough.
Please.
Now let me go back.
No, now.
Hey, shut up! Papa, shut up! Papa, please!
What's wrong with this woman now?
Oh, score! How can you miss this? You don't shoot with your left. At that position, once you're in the 18, shoot with your right.
You are football.
Oh man, you know I love football so much. It's my best sport.
I know you love football, but you can love football more than me. I'm jealous.
Come on, my love, you can't score now! Ha! Don't mind me. You can't be jealous now. It's football, it's not another woman.
Of course, there won't be another woman, Sally.
Another woman. Let's watch football together.
I don't like this game. I'll have to put it off.
Why?
Of course, why not? Let's go to bed, come on. It's still our honeymoon. Come. Let's go, baby. Top you and football, Jerry. You're not going to sneak out again. You won't.
Guy, look at how fresh you look, man. Marriage is indeed good.
Yes, so you can say that again.
So how is your honeymoon going?
Going well. Enjoying myself.
Yeah. So when will it be coming to an end?
Ha! Crying out for you. Yeah, not bad, but let me this one. Relax now, but honeymoon just started. I'm still enjoying myself. It's all vibes and cruise. No, let me enjoy myself now. I need it.
Very important. Yes. So what about Mary? Is she still blackmailing you with that sex video?
Excuse me.
Don't you think you are taking a risk? That thing you are doing with Mary, when it goes out of proportion, don't you know you are going to lose your marriage?
Prosper.
Yes.
You've just been running your mouth and I'm just watching you. Just running your mouth like that.
Listen, you and I know that the story you told me the last time, it's all your story. I know the last time you talked to me about a friend of yours seeking counsel from you. I know you own that story. Because that period of time, you were not feeling good. And that period of time also, you were on medication.
Prosper. How can you be insinuating that the story is mine?
I am very sure the story is yours.
At this point, I'll just tell you the truth, my bro. See that girl Mary here? Mary is like a boil on the scrotum. I'm telling you, leave it at your own peril. Burst it at your own detriment. What kind of problem have I gotten myself into?
I understand you.
No, you don't understand me, believe me. You don't understand me because you're not in my shoes. You don't know what it feels like to be blackmailed and constantly blackmailed by your own housemate. Come on, who do I talk to?
So what do you intend to do now? I think the best thing for you to do is for you to tell your wife every single thing about this. If not, you're going to kiss your marriage goodbye.
I can't. Not at all. I'd rather kill that girl and send her to hell.
You want her blood to be your own end? Don't say that, please. That is not an option at all. Don't say that. I don't support it. That's all. I don't support it. So must be a way out.
This one just like this today. You not just a smile. What happened, Mary?
I don't carry belle.
Eh?
I said I don't carry belle.
Who get the belle?
Now which kind of question come be that one? Now which kind of question you ask me? Which one be who get the belle? Okay, now you be the papa of my pikin. I don't know what you dey talk. Now you get the pikin.
Ha! I lie. Oh, you not go fit be me. Oh, Shebi, you and your girl na the paro now. Carry belle go give her. Why you call say na me?
Greg, I beg, don't carry that leg. Come give me. No, even carry that leg. No start. What it be that one? I tell you, I don't know the papa of my pikin. I see now you get pikin. They follow me. They argue. Which kind talk be that one? I beg go.
This thing when you just talk na story for the gods. Not be me. Yeah, you know they see every time. You and your girl they see every day. Before I see you, maybe once in a month, even 2 months, I know they see your face. Carry belle go give am. He just marry and he wife, they never even born.
Greg, now God go punish you. Now God go punish you for that way you just talk. Now make you clear your mouth for that way. Which kind talk be that one now? I tell you say that you be the papa of my pikin. You dey follow me, they argue. Not be with my boyfriend. I beg go. I not just one. Now you get pikin, make you take am like that.
You don't they blackmail this man since. They collect money from her, in they knock you. Two of them they enjoy themselves. He no go even argue with you. I don't know why they do like mumu. Carry belle go give her, they say na me. No be me.
Greg, as I dey like this now, I no wan vex. You see as I take day so I dey calm like this now, I no wan vex pass like this. Now you get the pikin. And as I dey talk am, so it be. No argue am. Now you get the pikin. Period.
Okay, wait. Make I tell you something. You say na me get the pikin. No wahala. But make I ask you something. How you dey expect me, Greg, take feed you and the baby when you carry? Me, will never even take care of myself. I never even see money to buy better. You know they see what I dey get. You know how much they say baby food now? This is very simple. Carry belle give that man. He will take care of you and the baby. Have you like suffer? Don't tell you my own.
So, Greg, you don't know all these things, Abi? No, you don't know all these things. When you do the thing they sweet you don't know say baby pampers and baby food they expensive. I don't know what they want with this gender self. When you tell me they sweet you, they like me, they tell me say you sweet, you don't do this one, you don't do that one, you don't know. Go come back, this pikin that you get them, I don't know what you talk. I'm pregnant.
Alright. Congratulations.
What do you mean congratulations? I don't understand. See, Evans, you're responsible for my pregnancy and you have to take full responsibility for it. What are you saying?
Okay. Come on, force me now. Force me, put a gun to my head. Don't worry. See this whole thing you're doing. Very soon you will leave this house with that rubbish you're carrying.
Evans, is that all you have to say? I just said I'm pregnant, I'm carrying your child, and you're saying this.
So? No, continue shouting. Continue shouting till you piss me off and forget this balm on your face. Monkey. You want to force your way into my life, it will never work.
Really?
Yes, really.
Evans, I can see that you're playing with fire. And that fire will burn you. There's no problem. Fine, there's no problem. I'm just going to stay in this house and wait for Jasmine to come back. And guess what? When she comes back, I'm going to show her our sex video. And then I'm going to tell her that you are responsible for my pregnancy. Just maybe by then, your brain will come back.
No problem. I wonder why you have to wait. Why are you waiting? Go to her school. Go to her school. You know where her school is. Go. If you don't have transfer money, let me. I'm sure you don't even have transfer money. Let me know. I'll give you money so you can go there. It will be faster. Think I'm afraid of you. Listen, enough. Can you hear me? Enough. You will push me to the wall, and when you do, believe me, look at me, read my lips, I will kill you. I will kill you, I'll strangle you in this house, bury you here, and face the consequences.
Evans! Evans, I'm talking to you! I'm telling you something important! You're walking out on me! I'm talking... What is wrong with this guy?
This love not lasts for this life, if on your terrible, pull on your color, that's how it is. If we run to Bujiaji, it took because of selfish interest, you forgot the finger that